Our top story at this hour, even as singer-rapper Singh and Badshah appear to be feuding, their controversial 2009 song Volume 1 has landed them both in trouble once again. The Delhi High Court has ordered a complete takedown of the controversial song Volume 1 across all digital platforms. The court directed the central government, social media platforms and music streaming services to block the track in every form. The order also makes it clear that even short clips or fragments of the song and its lyrics should not be available online. The court observed that the lyrics are not simply offensive, but they are, on their face, designed to normalize depicting women as objects of mockery and sexual gratification. It further ruled that allowing such material to be distributed online, including making it accessible to minors, cannot be defended under the pretext of artistic freedom of expression. The bench described the case as extremely rare, saying that the contents of the song was so disturbing that it shook the conscience of the court. The court said it cannot allow even the slightest presence of the song on social media. The matter came up during a petition filed by Hindu Shakti Dal, which sought removal of the song from platforms including Google, YouTube and even Spotify. The plea contended that during his recent concert, Singh saw a few verses. He sang those verses from the song, which was later confirmed that it was the same song that was sung by him in 2000. The song appears to also feature rapper Badshah. Issuing notice to the singers, the court directed URLs containing the song be blocked immediately. It further granted liberty to the petitioner to collate list of further links containing the song in question, including remixes, and give the same to Union government, which will pass directions to online platforms for takedown. The court also granted liberty to the petitioner to submit grievances to Google. The matter will now be heard once again on 7th of May 2026. Now, for context, the track had triggered massive backlash when it first surfaced in late 2000s because of its explicit content and its lyrics, which many found to be offensive. Both Singh and Badshah began their careers together, and the song Volume 1 was released under the rap collective Mafia Mundir, which featured Singh, Badshah as well as Raftar. The song had been widely condemned for years for its extreme vulgarity and offensive lyrics targeting women. Both Yo-Yo Singh and Badshah have previously distanced themselves from the track, with each denying full ownership and credit for the song. My colleague Krishna Kumar joining us with more details. Krishna, the court has come down very heavily on both Badshah and Singh for the controversial song dating back to 2009.
Absolutely, Shweta. This is clearly another instance of cultural conflict that has been created because of the offensive nature of a song. Not the first time, but this time around, this is the Delhi High Court itself, which is directed to take down the song itself, the URLs of the song, from all kinds of platforms. As you're rightly pointing out, the song is not a new track; it is an old track. It was originally released back in the year 2006-07 by Singh and Badshah, of course. And the High Court has said that the song is here. I'm going to quote the words: obscene, vulgar, and derogatory towards women, and that it cannot be allowed in the name of artistic freedom. Bear in mind, the court has issued a notice to the respondents and has listed the matter for another hearing that will come up on the 7th of May, more than a month from now. But for now, it has ordered the immediate takedown of the controversial song, Volume 1, that was done by these two gentlemen, Singh and Badshah. It was released under the group name Mafia Mundir, as you're rightly pointing out. It was Justice Purushendra Kaurav who has observed that the song's lyrics are grossly vulgar, obscene and derogatory towards women. And Justice Purushendra Kaurav also noting that no civil society can permit such content to remain on digital platforms. The court has directed the singers and any rights holders of the song to remove all the URLs containing the song, and that includes not just the original song, but any other versions of the song, including remixes and any kind of alternate versions to this track as well. The court directing all of them to be removed from social media, music streaming platforms, and other online platforms. Bear in mind, this order from the Delhi High Court has come on the back of a plea by the Hindu Shakti Dal, which has sought the deletion of the song from YouTube and Spotify and Google. The court has gone on here, Shweta, to state that dissemination of such material accessible to all ages, especially minors, cannot be justified under artistic expression or freedom of speech, and it has allowed the petitioner to compile additional links and submit them to the union government for takedown directions and to report subsequent URLs through, intermediaries. Shweta, the Delhi High Court has also emphasized that the lyrics are dehumanizing and it's devoid of any kind of artistic or social value, and that these lyrics, as what the court has said, shake the conscience of the court. Even as it scheduled another hearing on the matter for the 7th of May. We've seen such instances come up time and again. We've just, been through the Nora Fatehi song, Sarke Chunar case, where in that instance was the NHRC, or the National Human Rights Commission, which is, directed, sent a notice against that song, apart from a complaint being filed with Delhi Police's cyber cell seeking strict action against that. In this case, this is in Sarke Chunar case was both the video, the dance moves that were found offensive apart from the lyrics. In this case, it's clearly another rap song, and in that sense, it's not the first rap song that has come under the scanner for offensive or derogatory lyrics, but that saga seems to continue. And this time around, it's not just about a song that's just released. This has gone back in time a good,
Yes.
20 years. To get back that song and make sure that song doesn't exist online anywhere.
Absolutely. I mean, that's exactly what the judge said. The judge said that it's a complete disregard for minimum standards of decency in society, and that no civil society which is governed by rule of law can allow such songs to go about. And it's not artistic freedom. As a matter of fact, there are limitations to artistic freedom as well. Krishna Kumar, thank you very much for all those details.